Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to disable webcam in Windows 10. Let's go. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Privacy. Select Camera from the left side menu. Look for Allow apps to access your camera. Turn the switch off under it. Easy. There's another way. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Device Manager from the list. Click on Cameras. Right-click on EasyCamera and choose Disable Device. Click Yes in the pop-up window. Click on Yes in another pop-up window to restart the PC. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!